Okay, what is up? Welcome to Software Engineering Concepts in Python program. So in this video, we are going to look at regression testing in Python. Regression testing verifies the new code changes don't break existing functionality. So it ensures previously working features remain operational when developers add features, fix bugs, or refactor code. This approach is particularly valuable in Python development due to the language's dynamic nature and its widespread use in critical applications. So we'll look further at regression testing in Python. Okay, so regression testing frameworks that exist is the unittest, which is a class based with setup and tear down. Another one is the pytest, which has simple syntax with fixtures, and then there's mock, which isolates components. So best practices, you have to maintain coverage, automate CI/CD, and prioritize critical tests. Effective regression reduces bug escapes by up to about 85% versus manual testing. So an example of this is to verify user authentication works after implementing password reset. So that's it for this video, regression testing, what it is, and an example of it. This is Ayo the General on the software engineering playlist in Python. Do well to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's move to the next video on the playlist.